Now that you've created a audience, a sequence, and smart snippets, we can actually begin to explore how to create personas. These are the individuals that match titles and characteristics that are of interest to you. To actually create a persona, you're going to jump into the personas area on the left side of the screen. You can create new persona. We have a AI persona generator if we believe that we have a good understanding of who your personas might be. But for this, maybe let's call it growth leaders. Now we can begin to type titles that are of interest of us, or of interest to us. VP of Growth, Head of Growth, Director of Growth. The AI will begin to suggest other titles, and we can actually add some of those as well. Chief Growth Officer, Growth Director, Growth Head, Growth VP, Growth Manager, and maybe we want Global Head of Growth, Director of Market Growth. We can add these, and they'll appear there. We can also choose titles to exclude, something like interim, something like intern, summer, office of, or office of, executive assistant, things like that. And just note that anything that you include in the exclusion, if the word is found at all in the title of the person when we look for someone using the Unify prospector, this person will not be returned by our prospector. And that is how you create a Unify persona. Why this is important is so that each time you run a play, you can pre-create personas that you want to look for instead of having to select these titles for each and every play. This makes sure that by creating a composable part of this infrastructure, it makes it much easier for you to go and create a workflow in Unify.